Gentlemen and ladies, we are back with another one. So, what for making your videos a bit brighter and extracting the dollars from your wallet, the Neewer Corporation has delivered some lights. You've come all the way through the Amazon, so we're going to unbox them now and see if they're any good. Neewer. Sorry, that's about the best I can do. So we have mains lead, no plastic sleeving on the earth pin. Plastic sleeving on there feels like a good solid unit. Fitted with a 13 amp fuse, so if that's just for these little chargers, that's way overrated. We need to check that, and if it is, we need to drop that down to a 3 amp little power supply. So we've got 100 to 240 volts in, 50 to 60 hertz, 1.6 amps maximum. Output 12 volts, 5 amps maximum. So it's just a little barrel connector on there. But yeah, so 1.6 amps maximum. So to fit a 13 amp fuse is ridiculous. Batteries, obviously digital battery, long lasting power and durability. Replaces F550, which is the Sony. They look alright, they don't look too bad. Help note from the Chinese factory here. So there's our 4 batteries for our 2 lights. Each light can take 2 batteries. Little USB charger. Now that's a bit chintzy. So they've supplied a USB charger. We've got 4 batteries but only 2 chargers, so we can only charge 2 batteries at a time. And this is going to be a chintzy little USB type lead. It's not USB-C, it's the one before mini USB. Remote control. Well, for turning them up, down, on, off. And I presume you can change the you should be able to change no batteries, should be able to change the colour of the light as well to make it warmer or cooler. These are just 3200K to 5600K, I believe. Knobs, what for screwing, got 2 of them. This is the little adjustable top end to screw the lights to, which will allow you to put them on the tripods. So let's do the big boxes next. Wow, that's chintzy. And here we have the unit itself. 600 LEDs apparently. With very chintzy barn doors on there. Little silver reflectors. They are very wobbly plastic, feels like ABS. See if we got any juice in the batteries. 2 on. Got a nice little display on the back. Nice and bright. If I hold it back a bit. Oh! We've lost a barn door already. There was supposed to be a diffuser in here as well, but perhaps we don't get that. No, I see. Okay, so the barn doors are designed just to click on and off. Fixed. 179 quid. The 2 lights, everything in this bag. So here, this side here is for the mains plug. So if you plug it into mains, you put it on this setting here. Second one is for batteries. Apparently the battery life is very good. You can buy much larger versions of this battery, which I'll probably do if the battery is a bit rubbish. You can set a timer by the looks of it, and you can adjust the channel of the little controller. So that's your layout of your LEDs. So I think we can get this to look pretty cool. Because obviously the more light we have, I think I'll probably run them about 40%, 50%. 60%. So what do you reckon, guys? Is that an improvement that's worth having? I've probably got to fiddle with some more camera settings to make it absolutely perfect, or a bit better. But hopefully we'll do a quick before and after. In fact, I'll do it probably half and half, or somehow. We'll do a quick before and after, and then you can see which one looks better. So this is our start point. There's no lights on, just the overheads that I've been using up until now. That was the Neewer 600 LED twin pack video lights with their own batteries. Unfortunately, the downsides of this, they're brilliant lights. They seem to work all right. The barn doors on them are very flexible plastic, and there's no diffuser screen included, which is a bit of a disappointment. But hey ho, £179 for the 2 lights, the 2 tripod stands, the adjustable gooseneck bracket for them to sit on, and 4 batteries with 2 chargers and 2 power supplies. I don't think that's a bad deal. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.